All right, so we need to do a scatter plot. I didn't have a piece of graph paper, so I Googled it and I found kind of a half of a piece of graph paper. So I'm going to talk about a couple things that I did that you want to make sure you don't do. So it says make a scatter plot, and it says use 2 centimeter scale for 0.1 Celsius. That means you should be going 2 dark lines. I could only go 1 because it didn't fit on my graph, but if you want to remember that 1 centimeter is 1 block on the IB graph paper. And then it says use a scale of 1 centimeter for 2 heartbeats. Again, that didn't fit because I've only got a partial piece of graph paper, so I used 1 centimeter to do 4. But you want to make sure you follow what they say. So I did a scatter plot. And again, it's a scatter plot, so it doesn't have to be exact, but I got everything pretty much in the right spots there. Then it says write down for this set of data the mean and the mean number of heartbeats. So we're going to go to the calculator. Stat and edit. I already put the things in here. So there's everything in stat and edit, L1, L2. And to find the means and the other things that we're going to need, I'm going to hit stat, not second stat, calculate, 2 variable stats, and that'll give me the means. X and Y is good, no frequency, calculate. So X bar is at the top there. It's 0.025. So X bar is 0.025. Y bar is 74. So Y bar is 74. And it says to plot that on the graph. So we're going to go 0.025, 74. I'm going to apply it with a red dot here. 0.025, 74. Right about there. And remember that the line of best fit has to go through that point. So when we draw our line of best fit on there, it has to go through that point. So the next thing says find the Pearson's moment correlation coefficient. So back to the calculator, we go to stat, calculate. Number 4, linear regression. Everything's good there. And I don't have diagnostics turned on, so I got to go to mode. And stat diagnostics are off there, so I got to go back down to stat diagnostics, turn them on, and then go back to stat, calculate for Pearson's product coefficient is at the bottom there, so 0.8067. So 3 significant figures, 0.807. That is a strong positive. And then it wants the linear regression line. So for E, Y equals 2.21.98, which is going to be 22. So 22x and then 73.5. So Y equals 22.0x plus 73.5. And then it says to draw that on there, it's got to go through that red dot. And it should go kind of down the middle here. And it says it starts at 73.5. So we should try to start it at 73.5, which is going to be right in here. Whoops. Like that. Okay, so there's that.